everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mini here and welcome to yet another travel vlog. I am super thrilled and super pumped up for this one. So basically ये वाला जो है काफ़ी unexpected और बहुत ही spontaneous plan था. We've come for a weekend getaway and this plan was literally finalized just day before yesterday. We are in Kumbhalgarh and oh my god, it was such a beautiful journey. हमने road trip किया and we left Ahmedabad around 5:15 and we just reached half an hour back and yeah, I'm not at all tired actually because काफ़ी beautiful weather था. So we are staying at Fateh Safari Suites. This is I think one of the most premier properties of Kumbhalgarh. This is located at the highest peaks of Kumbhalgarh. So of course makes it a worth visit and also the view is so gorgeous. Let me show you the property. It's so beautiful. Now let me just give you a room tour. It's so beautiful. So welcome to our room and this is the first space. There's a fridge right on the entrance and a coffee station over here. Then over here you see a vintage lamp and also these vintage cabinet with these very retro looking drawers. I have my yoga mat over here. I mean your girl is becoming a yoga freak, so yeah, I got my yoga mat because हम कार में ही आ रहे थे travel करके. And this is the bedroom and that's our bed. This is a poster bed that they have over here. I absolutely love it. I love the sheets, I love the spread, I love the divan and this fabric on top of it. And yeah, look at those bedside lamps, guys. And there's a round mirror over there and a lot of seating spaces, so there are chairs and there's a sofa with a leg extension and also additional table and chair. They also have a center table right over here. So let's see how the bathroom is. So welcome to the bathroom. This is a space where we've kept our luggage, our suitcase. Here's a wardrobe and a mirror and that is the wash basin area. I like how they have like separate wash basins and a bathtub. If you guys have seen my travel vlogs, you guys know how much I mean everyone I think just craves for a bathtub in the hotel room and they have a lovely one here. That's the shower cubicle. अब मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ this very beautiful view, guys. Are you ready for it? Ta-da! There's some additional space to sit over here. And look at that view. She's so gorgeous. Do you see the clouds over there? I mean, who wouldn't want to wake up to this view every single day? So that was our room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it and now I'm gonna just relax for a bit. We also have another couple with us and yeah, so basically we are two couples on this trip and I'm sure it's going to be a fun one. I'm really looking forward to a very relaxing and very rejuvenating time. It is raining and I've changed into my swimming costume. We're ready to get in the pool, although it's raining, but we don't want to miss our pool time. So see you there. after that amazing time we spent in the swimming pool, I just took a shower and I'm feeling so damn rejuvenated, guys. I mean, I was a bit skeptical at first about getting into the pool because it was also raining, and the moment I stepped my foot inside the pool, it was super cold and so chilled. But I mean, yeah, it's just like once you get in the pool and it all becomes very normal. So now we have the whole day, the whole evening at the property. And yes, by the way, I know my left eye is a bit red. I don't know, something went inside it this morning and I thought it will get fine as the day will pass, but it seems to get a little better but not completely. So yeah, please, I hope that it's not cringeworthy and you guys are not having a problem seeing me. Camera is doing justice, but it's looking so beautiful to the naked eye. It's just so gorgeous and the weather is absolutely beautiful. It's really a pleasant weather. So we are going for dinner now, and it's been a lovely evening with that super view and sunset from our room itself. It's a buffet dinner, by the way. So yeah, let's go. Starting with some hot soup. It feels so amazing in this cold weather, and I'm so hungry also. Day 2 in Kumbhalgarh and we are ready. We are heading out. Today we are going for Jeep Safari, and it was very nice of the hotel management to arrange a Jeep for us. So they are going to take us around Kumbhalgarh. They are going to take us to 8 highlight points and show us the beauty of Kumbhalgarh. By the way, it's morning 6:30, 6:45, and that is the wonderful view behind me. My eyes still red, so I'm wearing these sunglasses. And yeah, let's go. Let's see Kumbhalgarh. परशुराम महादेव के मंदिर के दर्शन करने।
ये कल्प वृक्ष का पेड़ है। ये नर मादा का जोड़ा है, बहुत ही रेयर मिलता है ये। परशुराम भगवान ने यहीं पे अपनी आराधना करी थी।
घूम के देखिए, उस साइड मुड़ के देखिए ना, क्या दिख रहा है?
पहाड़ है, पेड़ है बस।
उधर देखिए, जहाँ तक नजर जाए वहाँ तक दिखेगा आपको।
अच्छा
वो पूरा समतल इलाका है,
अच्छा।
पूरा प्लेन है, जहाँ तक आपकी नजर जाती है वहाँ तक दिखेगा।
यहाँ पे
अगर
पहाड़
रात को आप यहाँ के खड़े होकर
वो
देखोगे
मारवाड़ है।
तो आपको फालना रेलवे स्टेशन की लाइटें दिख जाएगी।
अच्छा फालना भी दिख जाएगी।
हाँ,
अच्छा।
ये सादड़ी गांव है।
अच्छा।
आपको यहाँ से इतना सा लग रहा है, ये 80 किलोमीटर दूर है बाई रोड जाए तो। हाँ, ये राणकपुर जैन मंदिर इस पहाड़ के बैक साइड में है।
अच्छा यहाँ है रणकपुर।
हाँ, इस पहाड़ के बैक साइड में है। जैसे कि ये वो वहाँ गेट लगा हुआ है, वो दीवार बनी हुई है, ये रास्ता जा रहा है।
हाँ अच्छा, ये दीवार ये डिवाइड कर रही
हाँ,
होगी।
यहाँ से अगर आप बाई पैदल ट्रैकिंग करके राणकपुर जाओ तो 10 किलोमीटर है। और अब वो जो गुफा है ना, जो बताते हैं कि वहाँ से लगाकर परशुराम महाराज ने उल्टे पांव चल के वहाँ तक तपस्या की थी। वैसे पहाड़ के ऊपर है गुफा, उनको नीचे से दिखेगी। आधे से ज्यादा तो बंद कर दिए वो। ऐसा का ऐसा मुंह गुफा का उस साइड में, जहाँ परशुराम महादेव मंदिर है ना,
हाँ।
वहाँ पे भी ऐसे का ऐसा मुंह है गुफा का।
अच्छा।
दोनों तरफ एक जैसा मुंह है। इस तरफ से बंद कर दिया क्योंकि कोई लोग अंदर नहीं जाए, कोई जानवर वानर नहीं घुसे अंदर।
अच्छा।
जिस दिन होता है ना अपने जयंती वयंती परशुराम महादेव, तो पुजारी जाते हैं यहाँ दिया करते हैं केवल वो उधर से।
तो अभी हम जो मंदिर आए हैं ये एकलिंग मंदिर है और इसकी खासियत ये है कि परशुराम भगवान ने यहाँ पे कर्ण को, जो सूर्यपुत्र थे, उनको शिक्षा दी थी। तो ये वही जगह है। क्या बोल रहे हैं?
एक का 10 रुपया ना।
ये बड़ा वाला ले लो, पका था।
पक्के।
ये बड़ा
अच्छा है ना, अभी खाने का है
ये बड़ा वाला ले लो।
ये वाला।
सकते हैं?
हाँ खाने का है, देखो। ये क्या है भैया?
ये इसका इस जगह का नाम है अमीर की पाल। जब चित्तौड़ में ज्वर हुआ था ना,
हाँ जौहर हुआ था।
हाँ, तो राजा अमीर वहाँ से यहाँ आए थे।
अच्छा।
यहाँ के उन्होंने ये एक मंदिर है यहाँ पास में भी,
हाँ
अपने जो कृष्ण भगवान का मंदिर बोलते हैं, जो ठाकुर जी का,
हाँ हाँ।
वो मंदिर है। फोर्ट से भी पुराना मंदिर है।
अच्छा।
वो मंदिर बनाया हुआ है और ये तालाब बनाया था। इस तालाब में अभी क्या फिश है, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी अफ्रीकन कैट फिश।
अफ्रीकन कैटफिश।
हाँ, बड़ी बड़ी फिश, मूत वाली मछली आती है ना,
देख।
वो।
हाँ।
आप कुछ भी खाने का लेके डालोगे ना, हजारों की तादाद में बाहर आएगी।
अच्छा।
भैया ये यही है ना, यहाँ पे गाठिया खिलाते हैं।
हाँ वही।
भैया ये चित्तौड़ वाला जौहर मतलब वो रानी पद्मावत वाला?
हाँ
हाँ, उसके बाद हमीर यहीं आए थे।
So after having breakfast and having an amazing hot water bath, we are ready to head out. Now we are going to Kumbhalgarh Fort, and this is very popular because of the fact that it has the second greatest wall in the world. So it's famous by the Great Wall of India, which is the second after China, and it is I think 36 kilometers long wall. shifted into new rooms for today. Let me show you guys. We are staying in an interconnecting room. There's a deluxe room and a plunge pool room connected. Let me show you guys. So this is the deluxe room, and this is a separate dressing area over here, and the bathroom area, the shower cubicle. Let's get inside the bedroom, which is this. It's quite similar to the superior suite room, except the fact that there's no top view, but you get this view over here. That's all of our luggage, and all the additional chairs and extra seating, and I think that's the coffee station, the fridge, the TV over here. I love the lamp. And over here is the way to the plunge pool room, but of course there's a partition with this door. So this is a very huge plunge pool room, and with the same view over there. That's the bed. Again, a divan over here, a center table. I love this marble finish space over here. Here's the bathroom of the plunge pool room. Again, similar to the deluxe room, there's no bathtub here, so I'm really glad that we booked the superior suite so we could also avail the bathtub amenity. And let's see the best part about the plunge pool room, which is actually the highlight. Woohoo! Get a plunge pool here with this room, and basically there's not as much privacy over here because there are other rooms on the top floor. But if you are in with your family, I think, or with your friends, I think this is a great room to pick up. And that's the view. Now it's time for us to change and get inside the plunge pool and just relax because we were really tired. Good morning. It is day 3 in Kumbhalgarh. It's also our last day, and I woke up a bit early than expected. I was actually hoping to wake up by 8:30 or something like that, but remember that I brought the yoga mat with me on this trip, so I thought let's put it to use. I could not do yoga yesterday because we had a complete day of walking, so that's why I thought that आज योगा कर लेते हैं. आज ज़्यादा कुछ करना नहीं है, हमें ज़्यादा कहीं घूमना नहीं है. So yeah, it's 7 o'clock. I don't realize the person I've become. I'm waking so early, that too on a trip, that too on, like when I'm in a hotel and sleeping in the comfiest beds. Well, I think that's the yoga addiction completely. Anyway, I'm going to find myself a nice spot somewhere outdoors and start with my yoga.